In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload bank statements on Xero, a popular accounting software, and we'll do this in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a small business owner or managing finances for a larger team, keeping your records up to date is crucial, and Xero makes the process relatively straightforward. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to log into your Xero account. Head over to the Xero login page using your preferred web browser. Once there, click on the Login button. You'll then be prompted to enter your registered email address and password. Be sure that your credentials are correct to avoid any login issues. After inputting your details, click Login again, and you should be directed to your Xero dashboard. Next, from the dashboard, you need to navigate to the Accounting tab. This is where you'll find all the tools related to managing your business finances. Click on Accounting, and from the drop-down menu, select Bank Accounts. Here, you'll see a list of all the bank accounts you've linked to Xero. Choose the specific bank account for which you wish to import a statement by clicking on it. After selecting the bank account, you need to manage the account settings. Click on Manage Account, and then from the options listed, select Import a Statement. Now, this is the part where we import your bank statement into Xero, which is quite an intuitive process. Once you're in the Import a Statement section, you'll need to select the file you wish to upload. Click on Select File and browse through your device to find the bank statement you've saved. Ensure that your file is in an acceptable format like CSV or OFX, as these are commonly supported by Xero. After choosing the right file, click Open to upload it. With the file now uploaded, click Next to proceed. This step is crucial as it allows you to review the imported data. Take a moment to ensure that all your data displays accurately. If you have uploaded a CSV file, Xero might prompt you to map the columns, which means you'll need to align your data appropriately with Xero's format. This step is all about ensuring clarity between your file's data and what Xero expects. Once you've mapped the columns correctly, click Next one more time to finish the import process. Now the bank statement has been successfully imported into Xero. The final step involves reconciling your bank statement lines with the transactions recorded in Xero. This ensures that your accounting ledger is accurate and up to date. And there you have it, uploading a bank statement to Xero, an essential task made simple and efficient. Keep your financial records precise by regularly following these steps and enjoy seamless accounting management with Xero. Thank you for watching and happy accounting.